We headed back to Plato's Closet to give them another try. We wanted to look a little bit deeper. Supposedly, they may miss some brands, and you may be able to find some things for resale if you dig a little bit deeper. So right off the bat, I thought it would just be some of the same old. I did find these Adidas Boa shoes that were on sale for $25. I looked them up, and we know the asking price is not always the selling price. I looked them up on eBay. I couldn't find anything initially, so I had to type it in. I did check the sold comps on them, and I couldn't find anything, so I just left them. We continued to look around some more. They had some nice shoes. All of them were about $50, somewhere close to their range. So I did find these New Balance. They were $15, but they needed a lot of cleanup, and I didn't want to invest that time in them for $15. Again, a lot of nice stuff, a lot of nice shoes for personal use, not really for resale. So we couldn't find anything again, and we headed on out.